Pfizer. Hindi! Ang pinaka-favorite ko is charcoal. Mali! Yeah, I like the charcoal one because of its healing properties. Alam niyo ba, kapag, di ba, eto na nga. Ayoko muna magbudol sa inyo kasi may tamang time para sa live and like promoting products. Dapat may bell ako dito. Asan mo yung bell ko dyan? Dapat ko, ting, 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 ganun. Ganun ako. Soon. Okay. Ano ba? Uy! The thing that makes me la 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 want it all na 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 na. The boys are when I'm in chick brings and the boys are the young. Stand right, it's better than yours. Stand right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to join. Grabe. Milkshake brings on the boys in the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, I can teach you, but I have to jump. Yeah. British accent. Hello. Suck suck puser. What is suck suck puser? I've never heard such thing. I've never heard such. Bloody hell. O, diba? Mga ganun-ganun. Paviji in a British accent. Happy birthday, Justin Capares. Happy birthday. Sanya Lopez accent. May isa. Walang ganun. Bakit masarap maging kapuso? Masarap maging kapuso dahil ang bawat pamilya dito sa Kapuso ay talagang may puso. Bueno. Over naman sa cry. Me and my sister, I always talk to my sister in a British accent. Baka may tanong kayo dyan. I will answer your question. And I've been biased. My bias is Sonu and Jay. See you sa Friday. See you guys. Yes. Do you watch Peppa Pig? Yes, I watch Peppa Pig. Gano'ng kakulit si Alex kanina? Saan? Sa aming Sa aming rehearsal? Lagi naman makulit yun. Parang hindi naman yaan yun na bata talaga. Ganun talaga pag nabi na. Kanta ka po Golden. Mag-send po muna kayo ng pinch face. Ano daw? I'm planning to release a dance cover. Siya sobrang init pero dapat lang ako lang. Release both. Stream dapat lang ako lang. Yes! Tama. Pinapatay na ako ng law school and I'm here. You can do it. I believe in you, Ronaldo. Alam niyo ba, before meron kaming prof na graduate ng law.